Hello students, this is Rakesh Bhatia. You are welcome in biology classes. In this lecture, we are going to study phylum Arthropoda of animal kingdom. So, let us start. Any member of phylum Arthropoda is called as arthropod. It is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom, which includes such familiar forms as lobsters, crabs, spiders, mites, insects, centipedes, and millipedes. About 84% of all species of animals are the members of this phylum. So we can say that Arthropoda is the largest phylum of animal kingdom. It is the most successful phylum on earth that has ever existed. Arthropods were first studied by Aristotle. You know very well, Aristotle is also known as father of biology as well as father of zoology. Von Siebold coined the term arthropoda. The term arthropoda was coined by von Siebold, and the word arthropod, the arthropods were first studied by Aristotle. So you should remember all these things. Arthropods are cosmopolitan in distribution, means they are found in aquatic, terrestrial, and aerial forms. You can call it as arthropods can be found anywhere. Some are ectoparasites and some are the vector of diseases. कुछ एक जो है वो बॉडी के बाहर पाए जाएंगे पैरासिटिक फॉर्म में, और कुछ एक ऑर्गेनिज्म ऐसे होंगे जो कि डिजीज कॉजिंग होंगे, वेक्टर ऑफ डिजीजेज होंगे. Body have jointed appendages or legs which are modified to different structures to perform different functions like jaws, gills, walking legs, pedals. तो बॉडी में क्या होगा? Jointed appendages होंगी, appendages और legs. There may be 3 pairs, 4 pairs, 5 pairs or many pairs of this appendages. Appendages के 3 पेयर हो सकते हैं, 4 पेयर हो सकते हैं, 5 पेयर हो सकते हैं, या इससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. Body is triploblastic, means it is formed of 3 layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Symmetry is bilateral, means organism can be divided into 2 equal halves longitudinally. There is organ system level of organization. Body is divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. मीन्स बॉडी जो है उसके कितने पार्ट्स होंगे? 3 पार्ट्स होंगे. हेड अलग से होगा, थोरैक्स अलग से होगा और एब्डोमेन अलग से होगा. बट इन सम क्लासेस, क्रस्टेशिया एंड अरेक्निडा, क्रस्टेशिया और अरेक्निडा की बात की जाए, बॉडी इज डिविजिबल इनटू सेफेलोथोरैक्स. व्हाट इज दिस सेफेलोथोरैक्स? हियर हेड एंड थोरैक्स इज फ्यूज्ड and abdomen is present. You can say in case of crustacean and arachnida, body is divisible into 2 parts, cephalothorax and abdomen. What is this crustaceans? क्या होते हैं crustaceans? It is also sub class of arthropoda. It includes about 45,000 species और इसमें आएगा crabs, lobsters, crayfish, shrimps. Arachnida क्या है? It is also a sub class of arthropoda and it includes scorpion, ticks and mites. और इनमें क्या होगा? थोरैक्स रीजन जो है वो अलग से नहीं होगा, सिफेलोथोरैक्स होगा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट ग्रुप टू डेवलप अ ट्रू हेड which contain sense organs and feeding organs specialized for their particular habitats. Habitats के अकॉर्डिंग इन ऑर्गेनिज्म में सेंस ऑर्गेन्स होंगे और फीडिंग ऑर्गेन्स होंगे. बॉडी इज कवर्ड बाय काइटिनस एक्सोस्केलेटन. एक्सोस्केलेटन कैसा होगा? इट विल बी मेड अप ऑफ काइटिन विच इज अ हार्ड सब्सटेंस, समवट हार्ड सब्सटेंस. दे आर हीमोसिलोमेट्स. Coelom, that is body cavity, it is filled with blood or fluid. हेड बियर्स अ पेयर ऑफ कंपाउंड आइज एंड एंटीना। हेड्स के ऊपर क्या होगे, कंपाउंड आई का एक पेयर होगा। एंड व्हाट इज कंपाउंड आई? द आइज विच कैन, बोथ द आइज कैन बी फोकस्ड ऑन ए सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट। दोनों आइज जब सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट पर फोकस हो जाएंगी तो उन आइज को हम क्या बोलेंगे? कंपाउंड आइज। एंड एंटीना, एंटीना इज सेंसरी इन फंक्शन। एंटीना का क्या फंक्शन होगा? सेंसरी होगा। Here, locomotion takes place by jointed appendages. You know very well कि appendages are jointed. Digestive system is complete, straight and well developed. Mouth bears mouth parts for ingestion of food. Mouths are modified for chewing, biting, sponging, piercing and siphoning. Mouth parts जो हैं वो on the specialized purpose के लिए specialized mouth parts हैं. Respiration takes place by general body surface or by gills in crustaceans or trachea in insects, diplopoda and chilopoda, or book lungs in arachnida and book gills in king crab. Circulatory system is of open type, that is, do not have blood vessels and enter directly into the body chambers, which body chambers are called as sinuses. तो ब्लड वेसल नहीं होती है और सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम जो है वो ओपन टाइप का होगा और ब्लड जो है वो कहाँ जाएगा? ओपन स्पेसिस में जाएगा. ओपन स्पेसिस आर कॉल्ड एज sinuses. The blood is colorless. Here, the point to remember is respiration in crustaceans by gills, in insects by trachea, in arachnida by book lungs, and in king crab, that is by book gills. Excretion, that is removal of waste products from the body, takes place through Malpighian tubules in terrestrial forms. Terrestrial forms में क्या होगी? Malpighian tubules होगी. और green glands और coxal glands in aquatic forms. These are also point to remember. Aquatic form में excretory organ क्या होंगे? Coxal glands और green glands. और terrestrial forms में जो excretory organs होंगे वो होंगे Malpighian tubules. Nervous system is of annelidian type, which consists of brain and ventral nerve cord. जैसे nervous system एनिलिडा में होता है वैसा ही होता है. यूनिसेक्सुअल है ये, सेक्सेस आर सेपरेट. फर्टिलाइजेशन इज इंटरनल और मे बी एक्सटर्नल. द ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर आइदर ओविपेरस और ओवोविविपेरस. ओविपेरस मीन्स विच lay eggs or ovoviviparous mean either lay eggs or can give rise to young ones. Development may be direct or indirect. Sensory organs include antenna, sensory hair for touch and chemoreceptor, simple and compound eye, auditory organs in insects, and statocyst in crustaceans. Few examples of arthropods are Limulus polyhemus, that is known as king crab, scorpions, spiders, ants, prawns, crabs, cockroaches, butterflies, mosquitoes, wasps, honeybee. So these are very common examples of phylum Arthropoda. You know very well it is the largest phylum. So it has so many organisms, but few very common are these. A few organisms which cause diseases or are the vector of diseases are sandfly, which causes kala jar, horsefly, which may cause typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, mosquito, filariasis, dengue, fever or malaria, rat flea, that causes bubonic plague. So mosquito, you know very well, which is a vector of disease malaria. Plasmodium is present inside the body of mosquito. Unique features are presence of jointed legs, different kinds of excretory organs and respiratory structures. Body is divided in head, thorax and abdomen. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Here is a question. Write few lines on exoskeleton in arthropods. तो इसमें एक प्रोसेस है जिसका नाम है मोल्डिंग। तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप पढ़ेंगे और यू विल राइट व्हाट इज़ मोल्डिंग। सो आई थिंक you might have understand all the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.